In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome language tutorial. If you need to switch Chrome's language quickly, this is the fastest, cleanest way to do it, and it takes just a few moments. Start with Chrome open on your computer. Instead of digging through menus, go straight to the right place. Click into the address bar at the top, type Chrome/settings, languages, and press enter. That shortcut jumps you directly to Chrome's language settings, so you don't have to click around to find them. On this page, you'll see your current language preferences and tools to manage them. Next, add the language you want. Click Add Languages. A search box will pop up. Type the language name to find it quickly. If you see multiple regional versions, choose the one that matches your preference, like a specific country or dialect. When you're ready, click Add. The language you just chose will appear at the top of your list, making it easy to set as your main option. Now, make it the display language for Chrome. Find your newly added language in the list, then click the three dots to the right of it to open the More Actions menu. Check the box that says, Display Google Chrome in this language. As soon as you do, a relaunch button will appear. Click Relaunch. Chrome will close and reopen right away, bringing you back to your tabs with the interface switched to your new language. After relaunch, take a quick look around. Menus, settings, prompts, and built-in pages will now show in the language you selected. Your browsing content won't change automatically, since most websites decide their own language, but Chrome's interface will be fully updated. If you ever want to switch to another language or revert, you can return to Chrome/settings, languages, and repeat the same steps. A couple of quick tips to make this even smoother. When searching for a language, try a few spellings or the local name if you don't see it right away. If you added more than one variant, set the exact one you prefer as the display language to ensure everything matches your expectations. And if your list gets cluttered, you can remove languages you don't plan to use so the menu stays tidy. That's all there is to it. With a direct link, a quick add, and a single relaunch, your Chrome now speaks your language. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing in the language that feels right for you.